Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Problem number 3, based on rules of integration of chapter integration. Hello friends, now we see the problem number 3, which is also based on rules of integration of chapter integration. The problem number 3 is integral 1 upon under root 5x plus 3 minus 1 upon under root 5x minus 4 bracket complete into dx. Now let's see the solution. The solution is quite simple. First of all, the given question we denoted as a I. It means I is equal to integral 1 upon under root 5x plus 3 minus 1 upon under root 5x minus 4 whole bracket complete into dx. By using rules of integration, above integration can be written as integral 1 upon under root 5x plus 3 into dx minus integral 1 upon under root 5x minus 4 dx. The next step will be integral. Now square root of 5x plus 3 means 5x plus 3 raised half. And if we take in the numerator, so that gives us 5x plus 3 raised minus half into dx minus. Similarly, for second integration, we can write 5x minus 4 raised minus 1 by 2 into dx. Now by using rules of integration, the next step will be 5x plus 3 raised minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1 bracket complete into coefficient of x, that is 5 minus. Now for second part of integration gives 5x minus 4 raised minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 into coefficient of x, that is 5 plus c. So on simplifying further, we get 5x plus 3. Now minus 1 by 2 plus 1 on cross multiplying gives us 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 into 5 minus. Now 5x minus 4 raised minus half plus 1 on cross multiplying gives us plus 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 into 5 plus c, where c represent constant of integration. So on further simplifying, this can be written as 5x plus 3 raised 1 by 2 upon. Now 1 by 2 into 5 gives us 5 by 2, then minus 5x minus 4 raised 1 by 2 we write as it is. Now 1 by 2 into 5 gives us 5 by 2, and finally plus c we write as it is. So the next step will be 5x plus 3 whole bracket raise 1 by 2 we write as it is. Then in the numerator we have number 5 upon 2. If we take in numerator, so then this can be written as 2 upon 5 into 5x plus 3 whole raise 1 by 2 minus, similarly second term also we write it as 2 upon 5 into 5x minus 4 whole raise 1 by 2 plus c. Now from these two terms we can take 2 upon 5 common. Therefore the next step will be is equal to 2 upon 5 in bracket 5x plus 3 raise 1 by 2 minus 5x minus 5 raise 1 by 2 bracket complete plus c. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.